Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to take this terminal off and hopefully fix the power steering. Alrighty guys, just going to take this terminal off and see if that's the issue. It's not allowing enough current to go through to the starter. I think I just found out what the issue was. I had my interior light on the whole time. So when many years ago I replaced all the globes with these little LED ones, I think. Somehow I stuffed up the illumination around the key, the door light on the top. So that ring has been glowing the whole time. That's what's draining the battery. Alrighty guys, just got the battery on charge. Last time, I'm going to pull the low pressure side off the power steering pump, see how the O-ring is. Because I did have that off, and after having that off, that's when I started playing up. So I'll make sure the O-ring's okay and it's not pinched. If it is, I'm going to have to replace it. Az, bring me an orange. Bring me an orange. Got this orange tree here. We have possums. There's like 10 to 12 every day on the ground. And this. Still good. Anyways, I just pulled the power steering off. And I was right, boys. The O-ring is done. I just dropped it. Anyways, it was split and stuffed. So let's look for another O-ring. Alrighty. If you saw a video last week, I was setting up the garage. I pointed this out. There's like 3 different gasket kits. Should be able to find some O-rings. There we go. Alrighty guys, I could not find an O-ring for it, so I'll duck out and get one. Back in a sec. Guys, it's actually the next day. I was going to go to pick apart at the end of the last one, but yesterday, being Tuesday, they were actually closed for cleaning up the yard, so had that today. A new SF5 went in yesterday while they were cleaning up, so let's go check it out. And alrighty guys, I'm not going to take the GoPro in. I'll just use my phone if I need to. Also, the battery's getting low. Yeah. Let's have a look. Oh, this is what I need. Manual. Alrighty guys, let's head home and fix the fuzz. And I really need to go to the toilet. Az, what are you doing? What are you doing? Don't drink out of the puddle. Don't drink out of the puddle. Got a water bottle over there. Dogs. Alright, get an O-ring. Let's put it on and see how we go. Hopefully it seals it properly. Might have to take some fluid out. Maybe not, because this hose doesn't have any fluid in it. But yeah. No. I think it might be out of petrol. Go grab some. What's that, 5 litres? Needed petrol. What an idiot. Alright, see how the power steering is. That O-ring got pinched. Got another one in there, so here we go. As soon as I turned it off, it stopped bubbling so much. Hey! Yes! Winner! Now it's just really smoky because I got power steering everywhere. And a little bit of air going through. I've run cold low, so yeah, add a little bit more because it's not cold. Hey, what you doing? What do you got there? What's that? What's this? What's this? Bit of spaghetti. Alrighty guys, I'm going to turn this off for a little while. So it has been starting by itself, which is weird, but anyways. Might have just been the no petrol. Gonna turn it off, leave it for about an hour. Go watch some YouTube or something, and see if it starts. If it does, great. I'll go for a little drive.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up here today. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Catch you next episode guys. Bye. I want your opinion. Should I manual swap? Should I do a manual swap on this? And if you have done one, let me know what you have to do.